My reflections are, it's lovely to see how many people in Wales are trying to do the right thing, and kind of appreciating some of the constraints people are trying to do their best under, and still moving forward with that work. I think our biggest takeaway is the challenges people are facing in terms of costs and the pressure to make people self-serve online. And that can come out in kind of really good ways in terms of helping to make information as accessible as it can be so that people can self-serve, but also that there are kind of deceptive and unhelpful design patterns like hiding phone numbers and stuff, but appreciate why people are doing that as well. Find a way to test the thing you're making with people who aren't on your design team. If that's content, I'd say that highlighter testing is a great way to get started.